Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Question number 1. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 4 minus cosine phi s. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have phi sine phi s ds. Because first derivative of cosine phi s, we have negative phi sine phi s, and we have the negative sign in here. That's why we have the positive. Because we don't have number 5 next to sine, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. So this one we change for u. Sine phi s ds we change for du over 5. The integration of this one we have 1 over 5 ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Question number 2. This one we can change into 3e to the power of negative 3s. And we know that the integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 3s over negative number 3 plus c. And we have negative e to the power of negative 3s, and we put about c. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 3s. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equal to 3 ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. This one we have u. This one we have u. ds we change for this one. So the integration of this one, we will have about negative coth of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about 3s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.